If trading feels like gambling, then you're doing it wrong. Ask yourself this: are you building a financial machine or are you trying to hit the jackpot? Your answer will tell you everything. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Mike Rich, here with the Rich Standard, and we're going over a topic that most traders and new traders probably don't understand. So, if trading feels like you're gambling, you're doing it completely wrong. Listen, trading versus gambling, what's the difference? If you're looking for a big payday, that jackpot, you're a gambler. You're looking for the outcome of a big win, which is, it can happen. But if you're consistently looking for something like that, you're a gambler. If you enter a trade and your heart is just pumping, boom, 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 it's because you over leverage. You risk too much. You don't trust the trade. You're scared to lose. It's a gambler. That's a gambler. When you up 1,000, down 2,000, up 1,000, down 2,000, that's a gambler. So gambling is outcome focused, while trading is process focused. If you're gambling in the market, you're more of a outcome focused person, which I used to be myself. Now, if you're trading the right way, you're more process focused now, in the process of how you are trading, not just looking for the money in the process. You're looking at the process of the trade. You're breaking it down. Why I'm in here? How should I get in here? What makes sense to get in? And what are the possibilities of me losing? How much do I want to lose? How much do I want to make? If I don't hit my entire take profit, these are certain levels I should take my money early. Process focused. It's more structure. Gambling, outcome focused. Trying to see how much can I make. Oh my gosh, I made $5,000. Cool. I might make $5,000 the same amount of time as you, but I feel more. I don't have that initial excitement because I'm not gambling. You get the difference. I might make $5,000 in an hour, while the gambler is looking to make that $5,000 in 5 minutes. The main difference between gamblers and traders that actually trade correctly are gamblers chase, traders execute. Here are a couple of signs if you're a gambler inside the market. Okay. So if you trade without a system or a checklist, you're a gambler. If you trade after losing a trade, you get directly back in because you lost, you're a gambler. If you don't manage how much you're actually willing to lose off a system, you're a gambler. If you're gambling just to be productive for that day because you feel like you need to get up and make a trade that day, you're a gambler. I've been there. That was one thing that I thought day trading was back in the day. I'm gonna get up and trade every day. Day trading, right? Gambler. You don't have to trade every day. You do it right, you don't need to trade every day. Here are the things that real traders do. We stick to a predefined strategy with an entry and exit criteria. I cannot get in a trade if it does not make sense to me. I don't care how good it looks. I must have an entry and exit criteria. I must know how much I'm willing to lose. Where's the volume? What in my checklist says that I can take this trade? How am I feeling? And the main thing is I don't have to trade every day. And I don't have to make trades if the setups are not there. I only trade if the setups are there for me and I feel comfortable in the trades that I am taking. One of the biggest things when it comes to being a professional day trader or being a real trader is this one thing: longevity. Think long term. We think in long term. I used to treat the charts like a casino floor myself. Yes, gambling. Here, money here, going there. Yes, I've been down that rabbit hole before. I didn't become consistent until I started treating it like a business, right? Became more smart with my life, my decisions, my choices, everything under the sun. I used to be that gambler. Now it's in the past. I'm fine with posting all of my trades publicly. I'm fine with showing my journeys publicly because I know who I am. I know the way I'm trading. I know my structure. I know my systems. And I know multiple ways I can switch it up and change if I wanted to show that as well. But I used to treat it like a casino until I started treating it like a business. You must treat your trading like a business because that's essentially exactly what it is. Trading is a business. It's only one person involved though. It's you. It's you against you. Trading is more spiritual than most people know. You'll understand why you're not disciplined, how to control your emotions, how to manage your money, how to get what you want, how to be disciplined. Trading is spiritual than most people understand. It took me years of going through ups and downs in the market to understand I have to take this approach in the markets. If you want to make a shift in your trading, remember these three important things. Discipline is better than dopamine. Patience is better than panic. And consistency is better than excitement. Thanks for tuning in. This is Mike Rich. Hopefully you learned something from this video for my new traders, the traders that's been trading for a while and actually learn something from this. Check out the Prop Firm Challenge, like and subscribe if you love this content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Deuce.